seen. Yeah. How was your weekend, guys?
Good, sir.
Yeah. So anything you practiced on Java side this weekend?
Yeah, started, sir.
You started? Okay. Guys, slowly we are entering into the framework concept and all. So please try to concentrate on the, yeah. So Java concepts. Last session, I think I told you, right? What are all the different concepts and all we need to focus on? What is classes and objects, inheritance, polymorphism, constructors, overloading, overriding. Okay. So these things are very much required for us. So please try to go through it, Java things, and let me know any questions on it. Okay. Yeah. So we started with Maven, right?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yeah, sir. Maven.
Yeah, what we have seen in last session, guys.
It's introduction part about Maven.
Oh, just introduction part I have given, right? Okay.
Yes.
So let me share my screen. A minute, guys. My system is hanged, it seems. Give me a second, guys. Okay, fine. So let me share my screen, guys. Perfect. So till last session we are working on the TestNG part and all. Okay, I hope you guys are practiced all the TestNG data providers and everything. Like as I told you, so we're going to work on the Maven part, and then we will enter into the framework part, guys. And in the inside of the framework, I will tell you how to work with GitHub and how to work with Jenkins and how to work with Selenium Grid and all. Okay. So Maven and these three concepts are pending in the part of the Selenium course. On top of it, I need to cover overview on two different things, like one is API automation and manual, how we can do it. Another one is BDD approach, how we are doing and all. Okay. So these are all the pending in our course, guys. Fine. Let me discuss very clearly today about the Maven part. Okay. What is the use of the Maven, guys? Maven is mainly used for what? Few advantages will be there with the Maven. Mainly it is used for Yeah, mainly it is used for dependency management, guys. Okay. What are all the jars you are adding, right? Those jars you no need to add manually. Okay. Those jars you no need to add manually. Automatically, Maven will take care of it to download those jars for you. Just you need to add the dependency, guys. You need to understand that is one thing, and easily integrate with Jenkins. We can easily integrate with Jenkins, and we can run. So far, we have seen single XML file, TestNG XML file. You can run multiple TestNG XML files also by using Maven. Okay. By using Maven, you can run multiple testng.xmls if you want as per your requirement. These are all the few advantages with the Maven, guys. Okay. In the Maven, pom.xml will be there. This is the configuration file. Okay. This is the configuration file where we are going to configure all our dependencies and testng.xmls, everything over here. Okay. So these are all the few advantages with Maven, guys. What are all the advantages? You can have the dependency management. You can have dependencies easily, you can manage. Just you need to provide dependency. These dependencies, whatever the jars you needed, those you need to take it from Maven repository site, guys. Okay. This is the site where you will get all the dependencies for each and every jar file. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, guys. So these are some introduction about the Maven part and all. You can easily integrate with Jenkins, and you can run multiple testng.xmls, and dependencies all you can manage very easily. Okay, perfect. So how to configure? Configuration part, guys. Configuring the Maven in your machine. Very simple. Download, okay, Maven, and set the path variables. Two path variables you need to set it, guys. One is Maven underscore home. One more variable is path variable you need to set. That's it. These two variables you need to set. Next, install Maven in Eclipse. Install Maven in Eclipse. These two are the configurations you need to do to work with the Maven and all, guys. Okay, can we do all this? So these two things you need to do. One is download Maven, and you can set your path variables and the home variable. And next one is install Maven in Eclipse. How to do that and all. And then we will talk about how to configure the pom.xml and all. Those things we will see. Okay, first, let me try to download it. Download Maven. You can come here. Everybody clear about Maven, guys? What is the advantage? The reason, normally, when you are adding the jars and all manually to your project, tomorrow some other version came, then what you need to do? You need to remove the existing jars and add the new jars, right? See, similarly, yeah, in the Maven will help us. You no need to add the jars and delete the jars and all. Just you can change the version in pom.xml, automatically it will be updated to the latest version. That is the advantage with the Maven. Okay, perfect. You can see here, download Maven for Windows. Do we have downloaded already? Last session?
No, sir.
Come here. Can you able to see in this path? Can you able to see this zip file? Okay, I'm pinging this URL to you. Okay, I pinged you the URL. So download this zip file, guys. Now click on it. Yeah, it is downloading. Okay, once downloaded. It is downloaded. So go to downloads. This is the one, right? So just extract this. Okay, it is extracted. Take this path, guys. take this path. Until bin, take this path. So where you are going to set it? In the environment variables, you need to set it. See here, in the environment variables, you need to set the Maven underscore home. See, already I set it. You can see here, Maven underscore home. I set it here. So this until this main folder structure, you need to go here, not until bin. Okay, until bin, you need to give it in path. Fine. Maven underscore home, everything should be capital here. And the path, whatever the path you are having, right? Until here only, you need to give this path. Until where? So until here, you need to give this path. Before the bin, that path you need to give. Okay, so in the Maven underscore home. Similarly, path variable you can see here. Path already I set it. See, this is our path variable. Until bin, you need to give in the path variable. Okay, path variable, what you need to go until bin, you need to provide. That's it. That is only the configuration you need to do, nothing else. So two variables we are setting. What are all those guys? Two variables. One is Maven underscore home. Another one is path variable you need to set. Perfect. To check in your mission, Maven is working or not. Very simple. Come here, mvn -version. It need to show the version to you. See, Apache Maven version is displaying. If it is showing here, did not understand the command, it means that Maven is not configured properly in your machine. Okay, so like this, how you can check it out. Yeah, so Maven version is displaying, it means that Maven is configured successfully in your machine. Perfect. So okay, Maven is configured successfully in our machine. And one more thing, I want to install Maven in my Eclipse also. So far what we have done, we have configured Maven in your local machine. Local machine is, you set the path variables and all, it is supporting the Maven. That is fine. I want to support Maven in my Eclipse also. I want to support Eclipse in my Maven in Eclipse also. So then very simple guys, go here, help. I don't know, my system is too slow today because of so many files open. Go to help. Help, install new software. Go to Eclipse, because so far we have done to support Maven in our local machine, but I want to get support Maven in my Eclipse also. Very simple. Come here, Maven installation in Eclipse. So some path will be there, guys. That path we need to provide it over there. Yeah, this is the path we need to use. Okay, let me ping you this path. This is the place where Maven will be there. I pinged you this path also, guys. You can check it out there. Fine. So what you need to do, guys? You need to configure the Eclipse. So in add software, what I have done, go to the help, install new software. Just enter Maven here. See, automatically it came. It will take some time, guys. So far you have done, guys, what you have done, you configured in your local machine. Now you are going to configure in your Eclipse, the Maven part. Okay. We are trying to get the Maven support even in Eclipse also. What is the problem? No software site found. Actually, this is the place where Maven will be there. You need to install new software and all. Yeah, this is the place where Maven will be there. I pinged you the path, guys. You can take it from there. Since Maven is not there in my Eclipse, so I'm trying to install Maven into Eclipse. Unable to connect to repository. Let me check, guys, what is the problem. No, because it is throwing the error, right? So it is unable to connect. But this is only the path, guys, because we used to use the same path to install Maven into Eclipse. Okay. Let me see what is the problem. No, it is not identifying, guys. Let me check it out. Unable to read repository. Do we need to enable anything or what? Give me a second, guys. Let me check. Yeah, Maven is there already in my machine. That is okay, but you can try this URL and let me know, guys. Okay. Already Maven is there in my machine. So because if you don't have the Maven, when you are trying to create a new project, okay. See here, Maven is showing, right? This option you will get it only when you install new software. If you don't have Maven, you will not get this option and all. Okay. Please carefully understand this point, guys. So since I have Maven in my machine, I'm getting that option. You can try and let me know tomorrow. See, something it is trying to download. Let me see what is doing. Okay. Yeah, it is trying to download something. We'll see here. Guys, please brush up on XPath and CSS syntaxes as well. Okay. So we are going to do little different kind of way in our framework. But concepts and everything is same, but little different we're going to do from tomorrow. Yeah. So we're going to use the page object model with page factory concept, guys. Okay. Page object model with page factory we are going to use. Yeah. Implementation side, little difference will be there. Okay. So yeah, those things let me start from tomorrow in the same project. Yeah. You need to have little knowledge on Java concepts, whatever we discussed in the recorded videos. Please brush up on your skills. Yeah. Why it is taking this much time to download? Yeah. No, I don't know. It is taking so much time. Okay. The URL I already pinged you guys. URL already I pinged you. So if I am getting this option, means Maven option, it means that Maven is already there. But most of the Eclipse guys, by default, Maven also they are giving. You don't need to install anything. But if it is not there, you can install it. Perfect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new project. Which project we need to create, guys? New Maven project we need to create. Go to the project, select the Maven here. Maven project you need to create. Okay, create a simple project I am giving. Here you need to provide your group ID and artifact ID, guys. Anything. Just I'm giving online banking. Oh, online banking already is there. Banking project I am giving. Artifact ID also you can give anything. Name also. That's it. Click on finish. New project will be created for us. See, online banking project is created successfully for us. It is the which project, guys? It is the Maven project. This is what, guys? Maven project. And these are all the folder structures will be there in Maven. Okay. Source main resources, source test Java, source test resources, and pom.xml will be there. Here is the place where you are going to have all your dependencies and all. Okay. Here is the place where you need to provide all the dependencies and all, guys. Okay. Perfect. So what are all the dependencies? Anybody remember so far we have used? Guys, what all the dependencies so far we have used? Anybody remember? Guys, what are all the jars we have used so far?
Selenium jars.
Correct. Selenium jars.
Mm.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, fine. Where you need to go, guys? Maven repository you have to go. Okay. Here you will get all the dependencies. First, Selenium. Selenium we have needed. Selenium Java. Okay. Selenium Java, you can type on it. See, this is the Selenium Java. We are using the these are all the Selenium Java dependencies. We are using this version. Latest versions later we will see what are all the features and all, but we are using this version. Fine. Can you able to see here dependency? This is your dependency. You need to add this part into your dependency section. Then your once you saved this file, automatically Maven will be checked for this dependency. Okay, based on this group ID, artifact ID, this version it will be downloaded for us. Okay, so once you saved it, you can see carefully here in the below. It is downloading. See, it is downloading everything. Perfect. It is already downloaded. You can see here also the Maven dependency. See, Selenium already downloaded. Selenium, everything is already downloaded. Okay, perfect. Next, guys, what other things we are using?
Commons.io, Apache Commons.
Apache Commons.io. Actually, yeah. So before going to that, you need TestNG also, right? So go to TestNG, take this dependency and add it over here. Perfect. TestNG dependency also we have added. Okay. Next, once you saved this, TestNG also downloaded. Next, Apache Commons, right? Any other jars? WebDriver Manager also we have used, right? WebDriver Manager. Yeah, this is the one. WebDriver Manager. Okay, WebDriver Manager also I have added. Next, guys, Apache Commons is there, right? But any other jars we have used instead of to work with different controls and all? All right, so we need for connecting to the Excels and all, I told you, right? Apache Poi. Apache Poi by default comes with Commons, guys. So Apache Poi, two dependencies you need to add, guys. One is Poi and another one is Poi OO XML will be there. Okay, this is the one. These two you need to add for the Excel connections and all. Perfect. These two you need to add. Okay, perfect. Guys, anything else we have added so far? Selenium, TestNG, WebDriver Manager, Excel connections. Anything else we have added, guys? Guys. So now what I will do is let me take our project. So these are all already there, right? Let me copy this. See, because I did not added anything manually here. So let me copy my package into online banking project. Let me copy one of the, this parallel one. Let me copy this XML. Okay. Let me copy this XML. TestNG parallel XML. Now see here. This is our package. Please check it out. Listeners, what is the problem? Remove override. Okay. Because in the latest version and all, it is asking us to remove. That's fine. Okay. Perfect. I did not add any jars manually, guys. Everything we have added through Maven only. See, no errors are there now. I want to run this TestNG parallel. Do we have added anything parallel, anything manually, guys? All the jars? Guys, do we have added jars manually?
No, sir.
No. What we have done, just we have whatever the jars we have needed, just we have added all those dependencies into our pom.xml. Okay. Now I want to run this. See, if all these are running, it means that it is working fine. So please check it out. TestNG exception, report NG, it did not find it because in the listener we are using report NG. Okay, we need to add report NG jar also. Perfect. So report NG, you can search it, come to the Maven repository, you can search it here, report NG. This is the one, 0.1.4, you can take it, this report NG and put it into pom.xml. Perfect. Okay, I have added report NG also. Now, yeah, fine. Now let me run it. Surely we may get issues, guys. We should be in the position to resolve all those issues. See, it is working fine. Now no issues are there. Let me see. See, because I haven't added any Selenium jar manually. I haven't added any jars manually. Everything I mentioned into pom.xml. From the pom.xml, automatically Maven is taking care of downloading all our jars. That's it. Maven is taking care of downloading all our jars. Perfect. So see here, it is working fine. You did not added any jars manually. Everything you added through automation. Yeah, by using Maven, just you mentioned dependency. So tomorrow some other version came. Just you need to update what? Guys, tomorrow some other version came. Just you need to update only in pom.xml. You don't need to remove. Yeah, you don't need to remove the jars and add new jars and all. You don't need to do that. Okay. Yeah, that is the advantage with the Maven, and still you can integrate Maven, I mean your project to the Jenkins and all. It is very easy with the Maven. Okay. See, it is running. No issues are there. See, our total 3 browsers, it is launched. Perfect. Okay, leave about the issues and all. What issues you are getting, skips 4 are there and failure 7 are there. This fine. Later I will see about these issues and all, but still. My point here is whatever the jars you added manually, now all those jars are working fine. You can see carefully here. You can go to Maven dependencies. Even Apache Commons also see. Commons is already there, right? Okay, this is the Commons. Already it is there. See, all these jars are added manually. I mean, all the jars are added by the Maven. Perfect. So this is the advantage with the Maven, guys. This is the advantage with the Maven. In the coming sessions, I will tell you how to integrate with the Jenkins and all. Okay. If you don't have Maven in your machine, please try to install it. And before that, Maven is having different stages, guys. Maven is having different stages. You can see here. These are all the different Maven lifecycle having different stages. Clean. It is going to remove the temporary files, whatever the dot class files it is created, right? Those all files, it will be clean. Okay, same phases, guys. Top to bottom, it will be there. So validate phase will be there. It is going to validate all the resources are available or not. Compile. It is going to compile the source code of the project. If any issues will be there, it will tell you syntax issues and all. Test. It will invoke your test cases. If there are test, whatever the classes are, I mean methods are there, all those methods it is going to invoke. Okay, these are all okay. Just you need to have the knowledge. Package means it will create a jar file. Verify means it will check it out. Your package is meeting all the standards or not. Install means it is going to do all the, if any jars are not available and all, it will take it from there. Okay, and deploy means it is going to deploy the code into the whatever the environment we have given. But mostly we will be using, if somebody will ask you, you can talk about all these. Okay, so I will be sharing this document with you, please. Okay, so I want to run, for example, you can give here, it is the clean and test only mostly we will be using. Okay, what we will be using, guys, clean and test. These two commands only mostly we will use it. Clean and test. Okay, so similar way, I want to run particular TestNG.xml from the pom.xml, guys. From the pom.xml, I want to run. See, so far I am running TestNG parallel XML. No, I want to specify this XML into the pom.xml. From the pom.xml, I want to run it. For that, two different plugins required for us, guys. Okay, let me open any other project where we will be having pom.xml, two plugins. Very well. So here we are having these two plugins required for us, guys. Okay, what are all the plugins? Online banking project, right? So go to this Maven, this pom.xml. These two are the plugins required for us. What are all the plugins, guys? One is Maven compiler plugin. Another one is what? Maven Surefire plugin. Compiler plugin will help us to compile the code. Surefire plugin will help us to run our testng.xmls. Okay, Surefire plugin will help us to run our testng.xmls, and compiler plugin is used for to compile your code. Perfect. What is our XML, guys? TestNG underscore parallel. TestNG underscore parallel.xml. You want to give one more XML? Yes, just you can copy paste and below and you can give it. No problem. So, guys, even TestNG.xml also we are not running manually. Everything is automated. Just you need to specify here, and you are running from the pom.xml. Okay, or else I can take any smaller one because it is taking a lot of time, right? Just this one, let me take. Just I'm copying this XML and I'm pasting it into online banking project. It is pasted, right? Okay, perfect. So this is the XML I want to run. So what you need to do, guys, where you need to set up? Guys, this XML I need to run now. Where I need to set up? Go to the pom.xml. Remaining all, let me close it. Go to pom.xml. What is the XML name, guys? TestNG.xml. That's it. Now what will happen? Tell me. Just two plugins I have added, guys. What are all those two plugins? One is compiler plugin. Next one is what, guys? Surefire plugin. Compiler plugin is for compiling the code. Surefire plugin will help us to run our testng.xml. If I run now this pom.xml, okay, if I run now this pom.xml, Maven test, what will happen? Tell me. Maven test. it is going to first verify all the jars are available or not, and then it is going to run your test cases. So 2 plugins we have used, guys. What are all those 2 plugins? One is compiler plugin. Next one is what? Surefire plugin, guys. Okay. Compiler plugin and Surefire plugin. Surefire plugin, what is the use of it, guys? What is the use of Surefire plugin? To integrate your TestNG.xmls, you can able to execute by using Surefire plugin. Okay, that is the advantage of the Surefire plugin. Perfect. What happened? So I want to run my pom.xml. Maven test I am giving. See, it is running. First, it will check all the dependency jars are available or not. It is going to check it out. And then tests it is going to perform. Okay. See, it is building the entire project since we are running it the first time. All the dependencies it is checking whether it is available or not. Okay. Now it is starting with the tests. Okay. Running test suite. Perfect. Okay. Before suite is executed. Okay. Some failure it came. What is the failure? You can check it out. Fail to execute. There are test failures. What are all the test failures? See. Oh, parameter browser is required by before method on marked optional or defined. Okay. Guys, did you understand what is the problem? Guys, what is the problem? Tell me. So, in this case, actually our tests are accepting the what? Browser parameter is needed for us. Okay, browser parameter is needed for us. That is what we are not passing. Okay, that is what we are not passing here in our XML. So what you can do is just add this statement to your test. That's it. Just add this statement to your test, then automatically it will set it up. Perfect. Now let me try to run it. Okay, now it need to run testng.xml, guys. testng.xml it need to run now. See, it is executing successfully. Yeah, Chrome driver also launched successfully. Perfect. So my intention is just testng.xml is invoking or not. Just I am asking you to check it out. It is asking, right? We have not added any jar manually. Everything we have provided dependency in the pom.xml. And 2 plugins also we are using. What are all those, guys? One is Maven compiler plugin. Another one is Maven Surefire plugin. Compiler plugin to compile. Surefire plugin is for what, guys? Surefire plugin is for what? To integrate with the testng.xmls. That's it. Okay. So like this way, you can work with the Maven. See, for example, I am running from the here. I want to run command. Command I want to run. How we can do, guys? Since you already added environment variables and all, you can run Maven from anywhere. What you need to do is, I will tell you the last part in the Maven. Okay, leave about the failures and all. Later we'll see about that. Yeah, one failure is that. That is okay. But I want to run from command prompt now. Right click. Go to properties. Where this project is there. show in Project Explorer. Or show in local terminal. Okay, this is your terminal. Fine. Here I want to run command. Through command I want to run. So very simple. Maven clean test. What it is going to do, tell me now. It is going to clean all the .class files. How I open this option, guys? So Maven terminal will be there. Let me open again for you guys. How I have opened, guys? That option, right click on it. Go to show in local terminal, terminal. Just open one terminal. That's it. Here, how we can, guys, through command also you can execute. See, Maven clean test I have given. It is going to clean all the test cases, and then it is going to perform the test cases execution. So through command prompt also you can run your test cases. This is very, very important, guys. This command only we are going to use from the Jenkins. Okay. Yeah. Why, what is the problem? Compilation error. J commander jar is missing. No dependency available. Okay, which jar is missing, guys? J commander jar is missing. It is asking for. Okay, so you can try all these things, guys, and let me know tomorrow. So today, what we have seen, guys? What are all the things, different things we have seen today? We have created the Maven project, and we have added the dependencies. These things I will tell you how to run the TestNG.xml, pom.xml, how you need to configure. Okay, how you need to configure the pom.xml, how to add a configuration like Maven home, path variables, how to add it, install Maven in Eclipse, and 2 plugins we needed. Those plugins information we need to provide. Okay, and what else, guys? And how to run it from the command line. So Maven clean test command. So some jars are missing. That let me see tomorrow. Let me try to add and we'll see. Okay. So any other questions, anything today? Guys, so Maven we have discussed very clearly. Please try to go through the video one more time. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions? Anything, guys, before wrapping up for today?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Right, guys. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Please try to practice all these things, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.